Hey Misfits, Tony Craft here. I'm very excited today because I'm going to do something different. I am going to unbox, review, and make a DIY craft kit from someone on Etsy. So I got my first craft kit in the mail to review, and this is from the Mad Makery, and they're in Madison, Wisconsin. So the kit that she sent me is called the white, well, I'm not sure if it's white or the black one, Copper Clip DIY Craft Kit. But basically it's a nice little bar that hangs pictures. So we're gonna try it out. So let's open it up. I'm gonna switch cameras here so that you can see my hands as well. And I think this is gonna be really fun. Okay, so let's open this guy up. It's a nice big box, which is exciting. Oh, she's got custom tape here that says the Mad Makery, madmakery.com. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know you could get custom packing tape. That's pretty cool. All right. So we've got a really nice box here. And she left me a little note. It just says, Tony, thank you so much for choosing to feature a DIY kit from the Mad Makery on your show. We truly appreciate it. Happy making, from Melanie. So let's see. Oh, this is really, really pretty. We have nice instructions here. So it has the supplies list of everything that comes in here. So what comes in the kit is a piece of wood, a copper tube, 2 wood beads, 2 dowel rod pieces, paint cup, paintbrush, 2 picture hangers, sandpaper, 2 clear bumpers, 2 cotton swabs, 20-inch paracord, 3 copper clips, wood glue, and paint. So that's a pretty extensive list. This is a big kit. And it says all I'll need is a hammer and a pencil. And estimated time is 45 minutes. So then it goes through and shows you how to do the sanding, how to do the wood glue, and so it brings you step by step with pictures, which is nice. So let's put that to the side for now. We'll keep unboxing this. So here's the piece of wood, and it says to give it a sand before you start. And it already has those cut out. And then your sponge brush, copper clips, these are cute. This looks like maybe glue. No, that must be the paint. That's the paint, because here's the little thing of glue and a little paint cup. This is so cute. This is such a cute little bag. Let's see. Oh, this has got all the little things in it. Okay, so it's got the little plugs, paracord. Looks like there's a bead in there. There's the picture hangers. She even sent you sandpaper. That's pretty awesome. So it has everything in here. It looks like there's a little note in here. So she has some little copper care instructions in here. Basically, if it tarnishes. So we've got all that stuff. And then here's our copper tube. Is that everything? And then just some really nice packing materials here, gorgeous color. It's a very nice kit. This is very fancy. This would be a good gift, a good holiday gift for a crafty person in your life. All right, so let's move the box out of the way here. We start by sanding the tops, sides, and back piece of wood. Sand with the direction of the wood grain. Okay. So this feels like a pretty heavy grit. This is a 150 sandpaper. All right, so let's sand it up here. Okay. Sand 2 dowel rod pieces. So she's talking about these little guys. Okay. Flip the board to the back side on the top of the board. Mark 2 inches from the edge on both sides. Okay. So flip the board to the back side. Which side is the back side? Okay, so this is the front side because that gets the little doodads. Okay, so this is the back side. I need a ruler. Alright, couldn't find my measuring tape, but I've got my fabric tape, which will do. Okay, so 2 inches in from each side on the top of the board. Okay. Alright, there's 2 inches. And 2 inches. Okay, what's next? Line up the edge of the picture hanger to the pencil mark. Use a hammer to attach the picture hangers to the board. All right. Okay, so I guess it's like that and like that. Okay. So she shows it pretty close to the top there. All right, done with the hammering. This is going pretty quick. All right, flip the board to the back side. Oh, we already did that. Use the cotton swab stick to spread glue in the drilled holes on the wood board. Okay. And here's our glue. Plenty of glue in here for the project. And it says line up the dowel rods so the drilled holes face each other. So I believe, so here's the little holes, and I believe we're doing it this way because there's going to be a string through here. I think that's the point. Yes. Okay. So we're going to stick that there. That there. Use a hammer to tap the dowel rods into place. Okay. Use the cotton swab to swab away any excess. I'm actually going to use a little tissue paper here. Paint the sides of the wood board. Paint the tops of the dowel rod pieces. All right. Let's see. Just going to put that into our paint cup. Take my little sponge. Okay. Tie a knot at the end of the paracord. Okay. Right. String the paracord through the dowel rod piece. String a wood bead through the paracord. Okay. There we go. Wooden bead. There we go. Okay. String the paracord through the copper tube, the wood bead, and through the dowel rod piece. Tie a knot. Okay. So we're going to do our copper tube. It comes out the end there. There it is. Oops. All right. Our wood bead. And then through the dowel rod and tie a knot. Let's see. Does it need to be tight, I wonder? String the paracord through the, we already did that. Trim both ends of the paracord. Okay. All right, and that's the end of the official instructions. So then you take your nice little clips. Here, you can hang pictures. Oh, this might be a little too big for this, but it's okay. I'm just gonna show you. Okay. So this is pretty cool. So you just basically just hang it right on the wall, and you can clip anything on here. So you could, you know, I guess it doesn't have to be pictures. You could also do like lists and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I think this was successful and easy. It didn't take me the full 45 minutes. And I think it was really cool. It was a beautiful kit. It was really fun. It was cute. I know that in talking to the Mad Makery, she said that she was going to be making a lot more kits and was kind of gathering ideas for kits. So hopefully she'll keep doing stuff like this, because obviously she's a genius, and this is a great kit. And I will link to all her stuff. And yeah, so I think this was really successful and great, and I want to thank Mad Makery very much for doing this with me. Thank you for being the first one to to do the cross promotion, and everyone should go check out her shop. It's fantastic and gorgeous, and you can make cool crafts like this. And like I said, I think this would make a really nice gift, you know, for someone who's crafty. The packaging is gorgeous, so you really wouldn't go wrong. You know, this feels solid. It doesn't feel it doesn't feel like chintzy or something. It feels like something you would get at, you know, Pier 1 Imports or whatever. Like, it feels good. And you know, if you are more crafty with wood, of course you could stain this. You could do all kinds of stuff with this. You could use these clips to hold you know, fabric, string, make an art piece out of this. There's a million things you could do with this. I really like this idea. I think it's really cool, and I'm really glad that she sent me this kit to try out, so thank you so much. So if you have a shop that makes craft kits like this and you want me to unbox one and open one up and review it, please contact me. You can email me at tonicraftshow@gmail.com, and I will email you back. I'm really excited to start doing this with people, and I think it's a fun cross promotion. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you liked it, please hit like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. I try to post every single week, sometimes more, so please stick around and subscribe, and I'll keep making videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.